one more step. Okay. One more step. Just try. Don't. We are there. Just sit. Jesus. Sorry, just try and sit down. Sit down. Just sit down. Sorry. Linda. Just try and calm down. You're scaring me. I don't like this. So, I told you what to do already. You refused. How do you want me to cope like this now? See the way you are screaming. You're all the way from school.
I'm dead.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Water.
You want water?
Give me water to drink.
Okay. I'll be back. Let me get you water. Linda, I have water. Just sit down. Just try. Sit down. Sorry. Sorry. Are you okay? Sorry. What is it? Do I make something? Are you hungry? Linda, don't throw up here. You want to throw up? Okay. Say no. Sorry. Say what we'll do. I'll take you inside. You throw up, and then I'll make you something to eat. You have your bath and rest, okay?
No, I don't have shit to go anywhere. Oh, it's my TV. I'll die.
How is she?
She's getting better.
What is even wrong with her?
Appendix. Yes, she has appendix.
Why not go for surgery? I mean, she's in pains. She can't continue like this.
Yes, she's in pains. She's on it. I mean, the surgery, the process, she's preparing for it. She's on it. I'm sorry, I'm speaking this way. I'm just, a little bit tired from the whole movement.
Okay, yes. That's all right. Just have to take it easy.
It's okay. I will be fine.
So, babe. My friend Kieran, he'll be coming back next week for our wedding. You know he's going to be my best man.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I mean, that's great. I haven't seen him in a long time. It will be so nice to see him again. Yeah. It's been ages, yes.
Yeah. And his parents want him to settle down as soon as he comes back to Nigeria, especially the mother. So I'm thinking if Chima will be a perfect match.
My friend?
Yeah, your friend. So that after our own wedding comes theirs.
Great. I mean, it's a good idea. I like it. They of course a perfect match. He's tall and dark. She's tall and dark as well.
Yeah.
Cute kids, I like it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I want you to play your own part well. Though they have been talking on the phone, but I still want you to spice things up so that they will end up marrying each other.
Oh. That's not a problem. It's fine. It's
Are you
okay.
okay with the idea?
Does it look like I'm not okay? Of course I am fine. I'm fine.
I just want you to talk to your friend. Just spice things up.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will. I'll talk to her. I mean, it's fine. I would even love it, We could actually go for like family picnic.
That's it. He's my good friend. He's nice.
You mean he's coming back?
Yeah, he's coming back next week.
Okay.
I beg. I know do. I will not do it. Please, leave me alone. I will not do it.
Which one you dey be? Which one be you will not do? They repeat. You not a prata. Eh? Babe, see, you have to put this into consideration. I don't know which one is you will not do it. Babes, you go do them. What are you even thinking? You don't know we have a lot to lose. Babe, listen. 1, Kirian is coming to town. You know what that means. Secondly, our exams are just around the corner. You want to play with that one? Thirdly, this your fancy way you faint everywhere. You never tire. No, you just want to keep fainting. Ha!
4th, I will not do it. 5, Ebere, remember our culture.
Auntie, you go really calm down. I mean, you want preach code. Me and you who know culture pass. See, if to say you no be my friend, the slap when I go give you now, I go turn. Yes, now. Correct eye now, I go turn you. What's even your problem? My wedding is just around the corner. I don't want you to come to my wedding. If they say bring rice, you go faint. Bring drink, you go faint. I don't want that. You calm down now. Small thing where they say make you do, they shake body. They say make you keep person. You have to put yourself together, get this thing done. I mean, it's simple.
I talk am before, say, you see all these fair people, una no get sense.
Thank you very much.
Una no dey too get sense. I don't even get anything to tell you. I don't get anything to tell you. Just talk, you can talk to me anyhow you like. Just talk to me.
No wahala, Black Panther. You will get sense. Wahala no dey. Now you sabi. No do am. Anyway, wait till I even sit down here to discuss with yourself. Like, what?
Hi. Pick you up from the airport? You didn't tell me you were coming back. Okay, I should come to Michael's house. Okay. Okay, welcome. All right, let me get ready. Welcome.
You see her? Before you go there, go faint again. You dey look me. No, don't go and get it done. I'll go see. Before you go knock for gate, man go open gate, you don't faint. I've told you. You don't hear what?
I don't enter Naija. Let's fuck up everywhere for you. Baba, congratulations in advance.
Thanks, man.
Congratulations.
Oh, man, I try pass.
We go fuck everywhere up. Fuck everywhere up. Fuck everywhere up for you. I don't come Naija now. I beg. I hope say get food.
Everywhere good now.
Let us have a toast to a safe landing.
Yes, bro. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
It's not easy. All the way from the UK, I booked for British airline. It didn't work out. I had to go through Egypt. Cairo, layover 12 hours before coming in. Don't be small thing, brother. Don't be small thing.
Thank God for everything. Yeah.
I want to eat. I told you I want to eat food.
You
Don't
you know who my woman is? You will eat.
It's fine. It's fine.
How far now? Chima, is she coming?
Oh, yes. She told me she'll be seeing me. She will come here to see me.
But you don't say after me now, you. I know I say you shift that girl pants finish, you don't marry her. Yeah, you will get issue.
Calm down. On a serious note, I am not ready for games. I like her, and I would want to spend the rest of my life with her. She's the woman I'm looking for, so why will I play her? I will marry her, and I'm serious this time. Thank you so much. Brother, thank you. Thank you for all you do for me. especially Chimma. She's the perfect picture of the woman I'm looking for.
Yeah, she is. She's loving, calm, loyal. You can trust me on that.
Yeah, I can attest to that. She's my woman. In no distant time, everything will be completed officially.
Yeah.
She'll become my woman. I'll be ready to take her abroad.
Yeah.
My woman! Man, I'm so happy to see you. I swear, I'm very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I came with dollars.
I'm on now.
Oh, yes, bro. Baba, we are in food. That one.
Don't worry now.
Babes. Auntie, come, make we go now.
I'm here.
You're not dressed.
Which one should I wear? This.
Why you dey hold the cloth like okrika? Eh?
You don't come.
Which one I don't come? Mugu,
Which one I go wear?
I say make you wear this one, Mugu. I tell you before now.
Eh, I beg, no curse me, oh. No curse me, man. Just no forget my hand for your face.
No verse. Man, no curse you. Our ancestors. Though, wear this one. This one is better. Carry nyash full everywhere, block road. Go wear dress, make we go now. See time. Why you dey smile?
I don't know what I want to tell you.
Auntie, go dress. Go wear dress. Wear dress.
Anika.
Not only nyash, na the only thing wey you know for this life. Abeg, be fast, oh.
You're welcome.
Yes, Mama.
Hi, my daughter-in-law.
Yes, Mama.
Nemo.
Mama.
You're
I'm
welcome.
Thank you.
Hi. You are a hard-working girl.
Thank you, Mama.
No doubt.
Yeah.
You can go and drop it at the
Let
back.
me drop. I'm coming.
Oh. My son must marry you. Yes.
Mama.
Listen,
Yes,
I've
Mama.
chosen you already. My son must marry you.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't tell me you want to fetch water. Oh?
Mama, come on. You know I still have some work to do at the backyard.
What?
I need to break those firewood I brought in.
You have to rest. This one is okay. We can use this one to cook. Yes. Huh? You have to. Since yesterday you have been working tirelessly without resting. Today you have to rest. No? Don't worry. Tomorrow you can continue.
Okay, Mama.
I will use that one to cook. Let me go to the.
Are you going in with? Let me help you with it now.
Okay. Let me. I'm bringing the ingredients for you.
Please.
Oga, I dey wait. Okay. I better come now, I beg, yeah? Alright. Okay, bye. Ha! What is... Auntie! What is keeping this girl now? Auntie Olinda! Make we go. Ta-da! Hey! Lekolo! See you! Omo, my girl, you fine. Wait, see. My sister, in that shake! See that shake! Omo! So you find like this? Omo, see how you set. Only you find like 10 people.
That's fine.
You don't there, you find like wish. Come
Which
on,
kind
baby.
wish like that? Wish they fine. You don't come on.
Which kind fine?
Which
they
they fine?
My sister, don't find us like this. So when you reach there, when you package, you know say my guy go there, maybe you no can't go there. Go show yourself. Come carry this your big ass block road.
Look me. Look me again.
My sister still see.
Everything's there.
Come here, let me carry my bag.
Aquam. Of Malicha. Village. Asta. What's wrong with this?
Are you Mama? This much?
But I didn't see you at our normal meeting point now.
And you came here?
Is it that you don't want to see me today?
How are you choosing? Just get out.
Yes, Mama.
I have arranged the kitchen.
Okay.
You can go and cook.
Okay.
So, the hall we're using is 250,000.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah. And my MC will collect 400,000.
What did you say?
400,000 for my
Which
MC.
one is 400,000? As in 400,000 just to talk. Come and talk to people to make them laugh. Okay, if it's like that, let me talk now. I'll change my wedding gown into a new dress.
Madam, please, can you stop being funny and write?
I should write 400?
Yes, write 400,000.
Okay, what's my business? After all, at the end of the day, you're the one taking care of the bills. But I'm sure that we will go hunger strike after this wedding.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Is it your money?
Oh, guys, it's not my money. It's our money.
Oh, yeah, right. It's my money.
It's
right.
our money.
God bless the day I met you. You're super beautiful.
Thank you. You're handsome too.
Thank you too. Wow. Your elegance is unmistakably perfect. I like your body build. I like your eyes.
Now you're making me shy.
I like everything about you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's take a look at this.
What? I can't see anything.
Please marry me.
Yes!
Say yes! Oh my
Yes! Yes!
Come on, babe, say yes!
This love is too much. Our friendship is too tight.
Linda, are you okay? Get water, Linda. Linda, are you okay?
She'll be fine, yes. She has
my sweet
high blood pressure.
How?
No, I mean,
Linda.
get water!
Be careful what you do. Don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. Be careful what you do. Life is short. This life is short. Don't be carried away. No one knows tomorrow. Don't be carried away. Be careful what you do. Careful what you do. Life is short.
I was surprised. What was it that happened?
I never expected it. You're such a good man. And
you're such a good girl too. I mean, we deserve each other. We are made for each other.
I'm short of words.
You saying yes to me made me a complete man. Yes. I really love you, Linda.
You're a wonderful man. And having you in my life has given me an identity. I love you too.
My full meal.
Kay, you need to calm down. She'll be alright. Just calm down.
Not a day like this, bro. Eh? This is not cool. This is not nice at all.
Yeah, I know. But you know they have been stressed out. You know school stuffs, running around, getting ready for exams, and all that. Just calm down. She'll be alright. Trust me.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. Thank you.
Bye.
I'll be going to see my mother tomorrow in the village.
Oh, that's good.
She's not aware I'm around, so I want it to be a surprise to her.
Good.
No, it's not good, bro. I wanted to go with her to the village. Now this.
Okay, listen. That's not a problem. She's our woman now. We can take care of her. Okay? Just chill. Calm down. She's alright.
It's okay. I've heard you, bro. I've heard you.
Nice.
When I'm back, I will take her to the hospital. I would want us to do tests. Yes, let's run some tests and know if we are compatible in that area.
Yeah, you would have done that before proposing to her, but I understand your desperation. But it's alright. She'll be fine. Trust me. Come on, man. Yeah. She'll be alright. Just chill. She's already our woman, so I have nothing to worry about.
Wait, what again? What?
You don't look happy. Are you angry with me?
Of course I'm angry with you. Eh? I don't like the way you sneaking on me in that house. Eh? Eh? I don't like it. I always tell you this. If I promise to come and see you, I will definitely turn up. But the way you sneak on me in the house, you just put me into trouble one day. You want to ruin everything for me.
Please, Akugo, let's make our relationship open to everyone. I want to marry you. I love you so much.
What did you just say? I can see you're an enemy of progress, Abi. Me that want to marry a rich man in the city. You want to come and ruin everything for me. It will not. In fact, even the friends with benefit. I'm out. Rubbish. I'm no longer interested. I'm out of here. What are you saying?
Please now. You know,
Please, get out.
Akugo. Akwam. What kind of thing is this? So I will lose marriage. Eh? Still lose friends with benefits. Hey. Akwam. Akwam.
Stop. Juju, stop. It's my sister's house. You have to control yourself.
But she's not around. Babe. You've been like this since last week. What's going on?
I'm fine. It's just malaria.
Should I get you some pills from the pharmacy?
No. I'm fine. It's just malaria.
Are you sure?
I am. It's just malaria.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, okay?
Welcome, sister. Welcome, Auntie Linda.
Good day.
Josh or Jojo, whatever. What's that your name again?
Oh, Joseph, but you can call me Jojo.
Oh, please shut that up. Why do you keep running around my sister like a lost rat?
Ha, sister. Jojo is just a very nice guy and he's my classmate and just my friend, nothing else.
Just a friend and a classmate. Before your enemy for carry come house. Babe, now like this, now from club they enter dance. All this why they look this guy, I know correct. It will give your sister belly. That is say if the thing never enter, it will give your sister. You knock am down. Now you want student, now so you they start.
Auntie, God forbid, oh.
Are they inside, I beg?
Keep short. God forbid. Now you have the mouth to say God forbid.
What is your problem, young man? I asked the question, what is your problem? You don't have anything to say. I want you to get out of my house.
I said get the hell out of my house.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Sister, he's just a friend.
Do you want me to hit you? I'm asking you, do you want me to hit you? Sandra, I am asking you, what is your problem? This is your first year in school and you're bringing a man. I'm talking and you're still looking at him. Are you sick in the head or something? Huh? If you do anything to jeopardize the effort my fiancé is putting into sending you into school, I will deal with you. By the time I finish with you, you see the color of this your wig, it will change to purple.
Somebody cannot make friends again.
So let me hit you. Look at this girl. You've had the guts to bring a man into my house. Linda! Linda! I beg.
Yeah. I know you're still worried over what happened. Please, I would want you to rest, okay? Please. I've prayed for you, you'll be fine. Okay?
I'm better now. You're not sleeping?
Yes, yes. I'll be going to see my mother tomorrow. I wanted you to go with me, but you have seen what happened now, so I won't blame you for that. It's fine, it's fine. Don't worry about it, okay? I will go and come back. Yes, when I'm back, I'll flex you. I'll take you out, right? I don't want you to think about anything, okay? Don't worry yourself. I sent money to your account. Yes, I effected a couple of thousands that you will use to flex yourself. Have fun. I don't want you to worry about anything, okay? You're welcome. You're welcome. It's fine. Don't worry yourself, okay? I will see you when I'm back. Don't worry. All right. Take care of yourself. Bye.
God, please. Maybe I should just open up to him. Yes, maybe I should just tell him the truth. If he accepts me, fine. If not, I will accept my fate and move on with my life. God, please. God, please forgive me. I really love him. I want him to accept me so we can be together. Look at what a foolish advice from a foolish friend did to me. Stupid advice from a stupid friend. Ebere, you have killed me. Ebere, you have finished me. God. Ebere, you have killed me. Ebere, you have finished me. You have done everything to me. Goodness.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Hey.
Hi.
You
can see.
Papa, you're not reducing, you're not adding, you're just there. Mama.
Hey,
Mama, I've missed you all. I've missed you all.
Yes.
we missed you too.
Hi. So good to see you.
Looking very fresh.
You're welcome.
Papa.
Yes.
No,
I go. Papa, I don't know. What's the secret? You're not even adding, you don't reduce it. Just there.
Mother's doing.
Mama,
I'm trying.
you're working. You're working
I'm
so
trying.
well.
Yes.
Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mama, so Mama, what's going on? How are you guys?
Well, all is well. Just that
Everything is fine.
your project is the one that has been occupying me. Anyway.
Don't worry about my project. Papa, your son is doing well now. I'm back. And I have money now. I have so much money now. So I'm here to arrange one or two. Then I want to get married. I'm to go now. I'm from marriage, then we'll do one or two other projects. And you know you're my engineer, you're my supervisor, you'll be the one handling everything. But Papa, I'm not happy. I need palm wine and bushmeat. You're supposed to arrange it for me now.
I didn't know you were coming. If you had told me earlier than now, I would have prepared for that.
Don't worry. Don't worry, I will do this one first. I'm even roasting ogede. You will like it.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
No. Greet him very well. Greet your future husband. Greet him very well.
No, I didn't get you clearly. What did you say?
She is your future wife. Yes. I've been training her all this while.
Hey, Mama, so you've not changed.
How?
You've not changed, Mama. What are you talking about? Which one is... Mama, please, I love it.
Rush to the kitchen. Soak it and put it on fire. I'm coming. No?
I don't get it. Future wife. Did I tell you to get a wife for me?
Don't worry about that. We will talk about it later. You just came. So don't worry, no?
Mama, you have not changed, though. You have not changed.
That's why I said don't worry. We will talk about it. Oh?
Okay.
Later.
Okay. Let me watch you now. Let me watch you closely and see. No problem.
Baba, just come. Relax.
You said the project, right?
Yes.
No.
Jojo, I am finished. Jojo, my world is about to crumble. In fact, the world has crumbled.
Which one is your word is about to crumble? In fact, it has crumbled. Talk to me now. What is going on?
Jojo, I am pregnant. I am 3 weeks pregnant. Hey.
You're pregnant? How did it happen? How now?
Don't ask me how. Don't ask me. It's your fault. It's your fault. I told you not to come inside and you did.
It's not small cum that I came inside. I did not even put everything.
Please, please, we have to do something. I will not keep it all. We have to do something. See, my education is at stake. My sister will kill me. We have to do something, Jojo.
Just calm down, okay? Look, what are we going to do now?
See, I have to come to your house tonight. So that we'll find a solution now. Hey, Jojo, see, I have to go before my sister will start looking for me. See you tonight.
Hey, what kind of problem is this? Just small cum. I did not even put everything inside and she's pregnant already.
And what did you just say? As Sammy said, what did you just say? You're what?
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Give me back the ring now. I said give me back the ring now. Pull it out. 1, 2. Before the count of 3. 1, 2. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Rubbish. Stay clear. Get out of my way. Now! Up!
I heard your voice. Is there a problem? Your ring is right on your finger. Yes. Is there a problem?
No, nothing.
Nothing. Look at you looking all scared and you just screamed. And you're babes, you know this your stubbornness will cost you a lot. What is the problem?
Mary, don't even go there. Please don't go there because you caused this. You practically forced me to do it. Please.
Babes, listen, you need to calm down. I mean, this is not the time to apportion blames because if we really want to do that, I will blame you. You're not a child, for goodness sake. There is something new you should know. What's that? Well, Kiri and your boyfriend told Michael that you two would have to go for some necessary medical test before getting married. You don't have to look at me like that, because that's the normal thing they do.
Oh my goodness.
Babes.
My goodness, what am I going to do?
You know what to do. You know the right thing to do. I don't... Listen, just make up your mind.
Okay. I'm ready. I want to go. I'm ready to go see the woman.
Okay. You don't have to. No, you don't have to do that. Okay? You don't have to. Come on, you are going to be fine. It's not like you're the first person getting an abortion. Calm down. You will be fine. Okay?
I'm ready. I mean, it's not like I have another choice, right?
No, you don't have another choice. This is the only choice you have.
Baby, come and take. Take it now. Sorry, drink more water. Sorry, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Sorry, baby. Sorry.
I'm feeling cold.
But the fan is not on.
But I'm feeling cold.
Okay, just lie down. I'll cover you with a duvet. Okay, baby? Sorry, relax.
I didn't even know I was pregnant.
Okay, so how did you find out?
You know that my friend Susan?
Yeah.
She saw her period and I missed mine. And she's been observing me lately.
Okay, so how did she know you were pregnant?
She asked me now. She asked me and then she touched my breast. You know, she's a medical student, so she knows all these kind of things.
Okay, so one can know if you are pregnant from touching your breast. Eh?
Yes, no.
Oh, okay.
Please switch off my phone. My sister might call me sooner or later. I don't want that to find out.
I already switched it off. Just lie down.
Thank you, baby.
Sorry, baby. I'll cover you.
Lie down. I want to lie down on your chest.
Babe, you want to lie down on my chest?
Won't you cuddle me?
So you get pregnant the second time again. You know every time you tell me to lie, you want to lie on my chest. Before you know we'll get started.
So you don't want to cuddle me?
Okay. I'll just lie with you.
It's just cuddle.
Are you sure?
Hold me.
Babe, don't touch me, oh.
I'm not touching you.
Sorry. Hi, baby.
Mama, what are you talking about? Eh? I do not understand you. Are you the one to tell me who I will get married to? Eh? Mama, I'm confused though. I don't want to. Let me tell you something. I'm not getting married to her. I am not interested in her. What are you talking about? I'm a full-grown man, so I can make decisions for myself. You're not the one that will tell me who I will get married to. Please. Mama, I don't like it. Don't tell me that. I don't like it at all.
Kirian.
Huh?
This girl is very beautiful.
Okay.
Very humble.
Okay.
Respectful.
Okay.
You will like her.
I will
you
not
will
like
love
her.
her.
I will not love her.
I know what I'm talking
I said
about.
I will not love her. Mama, please, I will not love her. I will not like her. I don't want her. I don't need her. Please. Yes, don't tell me that. I got to be in Eku now. Eh? Let me tell you something. This plan will not work. I don't know whatever decision or whatever plan or whatever deal you have with her. It will not work. This one will not work. Cancel it, please. Cancel it. Because I'm not interested. I have someone I'm getting married to. Yes, you heard me loud and clear. I have someone I'm dating. I have someone I want to marry. Please. The reason I've not brought her to you is that I said, let me come back to Nigeria first and engage her. After the engagement, I will live with her for some time, get to know one or two, then bring her to you. And that is my final decision. She is the one I'm getting married to. I do not want to marry that your village girl that you're bringing. I don't want her. I don't need her. I don't need her. I don't want her. I have someone I've engaged, someone I want to marry, someone I've promised marriage, someone I've dated.
No! I said no. This one you are talking about will not work. I cannot allow any other girl in this company. You will not worry. You will not marry who I don't know. Yes. No, Kirian. I said no. I know what I'm talking about. Eh? Kirian, I know what is good for you. You see that girl? You must marry her. You will not bring in any other girl. I've said it. That girl, her womb is open to accept children. And she has everything you deserve in a woman. Yes, she's very humble. Mama, very quiet human being.
Are you joking or something? I do not understand.
I am not joking.
You're not joking?
I am not joking, Kirian.
Mama,
you will not
please,
bring in another girl.
Please, I don't want to have issues with you.
Issues?
Yes, I do not want to disobey you, Mama. Please, I don't need it. I don't want her. You're not the one that will tell me who I will get married to.
In this matter, I will tell you who.
No, this one would not work. No. I'm grown.
Yes.
Kirian, are you people still on this?
Papa, please, help me talk to her. Tell her that I do not want to marry that girl. I am not interested in that girl. I have someone I want to get married to.
I will not listen to anybody.
That is fine now.
Don't even tell me.
Please, my son, go well, eh?
Thank you.
Don't worry.
Now, let me tell you. You know what I'm talking about. Don't even go there. Stay out of this topic. Stay out of this discussion. I don't want you to say anything in this.
Now, let me tell you. Will you force him to marry a woman that he doesn't like? I don't know why you women are this dramatic.
Papa Kirian, I beg you in the name of God, shut up your mouth in this matter. You see this matter? Stay out of it. Leave me and Kirian, my son.
Okay.
Leave us alone.
When I'm the father of the house?
You are the father, yes. I'm not disputing it. But just stay clear from this topic. Stay out of this matter. Apubo, Kirian must marry this girl.
Be very careful what you are doing. Be very careful with this decision you are making.
Leave me alone. Chuku, what is this? What is all this? Why are you even calling my phone? Don't you know my future husband is in town? Why are you calling me?
Akugo, I won't do.
Do what, Shekube? Shekube, do what?
What me are you dey always do now? Must I open my mouth, tell everybody before you understand what I
If that will be over my dead body, will I sleep with you again in this village? That will be over my dead body.
Akugo, over your dead body, will you sleep with me?
Yes.
Okay, well, no problem. I will go and tell Kiran's mom, say, I made the help him service. And they also grease your bodies wey don dry so that it go dey very oily.
Nah, Sheshe, it hasn't gotten to that now. Come on, we've come a long way. How can you just go and spoil everything like that now? Please, I beg you, don't go and spoil everything for me. Come on, I want to go to the city. Don't want me to marry a rich man. Please now.
You see, Akugo, no problem. As long as you allow me and you do wetin I want, and anytime when I knock for that your door, you open for me. Make I grease your bodies. No problem now.
Fine.
I no go tell my Kira.
You have to promise me something.
What is it?
You will never ever let anyone know of this. Like never ever, okay? You have to promise me.
Akugo, I swear to God, make her die. I tell everybody. You know what happened? I don't want to share you with any man at all. You see that Kiran, it's just a dream. Now maybe the right guy will go to service you for village.
I'm fine. Well, it's okay. Let's just go. Let's be fast. Mama is looking for me. Let's just go.
David,
let's just go now.
You see, your love here is driving crazy. Hey, hey, it works. See, I just said it didn't work before. Hey, he the too bad. He the bad guy. As I give her like this, I say, Chikube. Hey, now the ringtone just changed. Now what you going to say? Tomorrow now, I will just try another style. Make her hear another ringtone. So I just give her like this woman. Wow! When the ringtone, she go say, Chekube, you go kill me. Hey, Chekube, eat it too bad.
My daughter-in-law.
Yes, Mama.
Where are you coming from? I told you to stick around here. And why are you still wearing this cloth? I've always told you to wear something revealing. If you get boobs, that will make you attractive to my son. Where are you coming from? Tell me.
I went.
Wait, what happened to your hair? Did you fall? Why is your hair very dusty like this?
Yes, I helped an old woman to carry her firewood to her house. Yes, the firewood is big.
Very good girl. You are so good and kind. God bless you, no? Child. Listen, my son has gone back to the city. He will return tomorrow. So I want you to go and get your things. You will stay here with us until he returns.
Okay, Mama.
Go fast. Don't waste time.
Let me go and get my things.
Fast, no? Mama, my son must marry you. Yes. Nekene nwata. Obi umane.
Hey beautiful people, how are you all doing? So I'm live today to tell you how excited I am. I just got back from my wedding reception, guys. It was amazing. I mean, I had a blast. But for those of you who missed out, I know I was on live, but I know some of you weren't on live then. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of how posh and beautiful I was looking today. So I'm going to show you, for those of you who weren't live, I'm going to show you what I wore. See guys, you wouldn't believe it. My husband saw me today walking down the aisle and he was like, oh my God, is this my wife? Guys, I was looking amazing today. So, this is it. Gosh, I was so beautiful on this. I just wish I could go back to wearing this. I had an amazing time. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, babe, guys. So guys, I'll be offline now. My husband is back. Oh, shit. See you guys later. Hey, darling.
Babe.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
What kept you? I have been waiting for you.
Sorry, babe. I was busy paying some people.
Because there was this girl I saw you giving an eye at the reception.
No, babe. That's not true.
That was a joke. Okay, so right now you need to go in and take a shower, right?
Right. I'm so happy. I mean, getting married to you is one of the greatest things that have ever happened to me in my life.
You can't imagine how happy I am. I love you, babes.
I love you more.
Zulai, I love you more.
Yeah, what a day. Are you okay? I'm sure. I can't wait to witness our great day.
Same here. I can't wait to be your wife.
You know, I'll take care of you.
I know.
Full meal. All right, so let's go up.
Go up.
To my room, there's something I would want to tell you.
Tell me. You can tell me here. We mustn't go to your bedroom.
I know, but I'm a gentleman. I mean no harm. I just like there's something I want to show you.
You can tell me here.
Please.
You tell me here.
Don't say no.
Tell me here. Tell me here. I don't want to go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
You are so bad. You're a
No,
bad
I'm
boy.
not a bad boy.
You are.
Wow.
Who's there? Come in.
Who is that?
Come
Yeah,
in.
Come in. Mama? Mama?
Oh, welcome, Mama. Oh.
Mama, you didn't tell me you're coming.
Michelle, shut up. So you are the one that stopped my son from returning to the village to take his wife? Eh? Wife?
Mama, baby.
Listen to me. Your tenure is over today. Akugo.
Yes, Mama.
Go inside there and keep your...
Hey, Mama, stop this. I don't like this. How can you walk into my house, barge into my house, and say this rubbish? I don't need it, Mama. Stop it now. Eh? I thought you were joking. Stop this nonsense. I don't want her. I don't want to get married to this thing. Take this thing out of my house.
Not a thing on your future wife.
Yes, tell him. She is your future wife. And you better make up your mind to leave my son's house. Pack your things and get out of here.
Mama.
I brought a virgin for my son. He will be the one to disflower this one, not you.
I don't want to get married to a virgin. Take it or leave it. I don't want to get married to a virgin. Take this virgin to the village. I don't want that.
Kirian, please. Can you explain to me in simple terms what exactly is going on right here?
Hey, babe. Don't get worked up, okay? Don't worry yourself. I'll handle things. Calm down, right? Mama, I don't like this now. Mama, you're ruining our beautiful moment. I'm having a nice time, private time with my wife to be. I don't like this nonsense, Mama.
When you finish speaking grammar, come and touch me or you touch her.
Okay, go. Hey, babe, can I explain? I do not want you to, don't allow things to bother you, right? I will handle this one, okay? Please don't allow it to bother you, please. Calm down, right? You are the woman I want. You are the one I will get married to. You're my future wife. Don't worry, you know my mother is full of drama. Eh? Don't mind her. Don't worry about her. You're the one I want. Stop. You're the one I will get married to. Okay? I'll make you my wife regardless. No matter what comes. You're my baby. You're my daughter. You're my wife to be. Don't worry yourself. Let's go to Michael's place and have fun. Let's just go there and chill out. Allow my mother with her drama. Very soon, she will be out from here. And I'll take what belongs to me. Full meal. All right.
Stop. What's your problem?
Hey! God, baby!
All right, bye.
Madam, a union is a crime. Should I go and bring him for you?
Oh, please do. Very quick. What about Alice?
Madam, she's sleeping.
Okay. Quickly put some water in the flask, okay?
Madam, do you want to drink hot tea by this time of the day? Yeah, if I'm not getting, it's not good for
Juliana,
you.
can you just shut up and listen to what I have to say first?
Okay, ma, sorry.
Put some water in the flask. The woman who's bathing the children will soon be here.
That means you want to burn the pikin now. You want to burn him by the water. It's very hot, madam.
Juliana, will you just shut up and do as I say?
Okay, ma, sorry. Sorry.
Bring Junior to me and please check on Alice before you come back, okay?
Madam, check. Alice, okay. The two in one. Sorry.